Merit, what exactly is the European Advanced Manufacturing Support Centre?
The European Advanced Manufacturing Support Centre is an EU initiative aiming to help small and medium-sized companies, the so-called SMEs, to become factories of the future. We go for the SMEs that have already shown that they know they have challenges, that they know they must do something and have taken some kind of active step to act to solve the challenges.
Green and digital transformation is now a big priority for a lot of companies. Why is that?
Advanced manufacturing have been around for years. Having technology as a solution is not new in any way. But now with the digital technologies, you have a chance to link the different areas in the production and make sure that you collect data and you use the data so that it is not standalone areas, but one whole system. In my opinion, the green actually links very nicely to this, because 25 years ago, we were already saying that we need to do something. Sustainability is not a new word, but there would always be an argument saying we cannot afford it. It's too expensive. Now we have technologies that actually help us. So going green is going hand in hand with efficiency goals. It is not only modern to be green, it's also a very cost-effective opinion to have.
What are the opportunities for companies that are willing to successfully embrace this green and digital transformation?
There are so many opportunities. There are so many programs wanting to assist and help. So EU initiatives and national initiatives, they are begging companies to apply. So in my opinion, companies should stop up, look at their own strategy, make sure that they know where they are coming from, where they want to go, and then join a platform, join a group, be part of a proposal. Because it's when you meet other companies that wants to go digital and green that you are challenged in your own ideas and that you can actually improve. So go out, join them.